Egg pie. It is a sweet Filipino dessert that resembles an egg custard. You can definitely make your own egg pie at home, and this is how you do it. For the pie crust, we will first put 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large mixing bowl. Next is 1/3 cup of butter. Mix well until all the ingredients forms tiny little beads. And then we will put 1/2 cup of cold water. Gather the dough and knead them for exactly 5 minutes. Smoothen the dough out and mold it into a ball-shaped figure. Sprinkle some flour on a clean flat surface and flatten the dough using a rolling pin. And then you need to grease up the mold where you will be arranging your dough. Here I am just arranging the flattened dough on top of my mold and trimming the edge. And then you need to refrigerate the dough for at least 30 minutes to harden the butter. And then we will now start doing the filling. Put 1 cup of milk powder, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of liquid milk. Mix well until all the ingredients are combined. Next, we will put 3 pieces of eggs and 1 piece of egg yolk into the mixture. Beat the separated egg white until it forms soft peaks. Put in the vanilla extract, then mix until every ingredient is properly distributed. Place the egg white and then mix thoroughly. And then we will now pour the filling mixture on the refrigerated pie crust. And I was able to make 5 pieces of egg pies with this recipe. Preheat the pot where you will be putting your egg pie for 10 minutes. And then cook them on low heat for 35 to 45 minutes. After several minutes, here is now my finished egg pie. Let it cool first before removing the egg pie from its mold. Here is now the finished no-bake egg pie.